Hello guys and good morning. Again, this is Sir Arca and I am currently a instructor for a college and I'm taking up my master's degrees right now. And I'm here today to talk about how we will be able to create an empty website using Visual Studio. So last time we had discussed about how we could be able to install Visual Studio. So right now we'll open up our Visual Studio 2019. So if you take a look on the website, you could download the latest, which is Visual Studio 2022. So right now what we'll do is we will be adding a new project. So just click create new project as you open your Visual Studio. And since we will be creating in this series web forms or web applications, we'll be choosing creating an empty website. So the good thing about Visual Studio is you do have a lot of options of what it is that you do want to create. So as you open your Visual Studio, you'll be given an option to pick on what type of application you want to create. So as you can see, there's a lot, but as I've said, we will start from the scratch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and find the ASP.NET empty. Let's see. There we go. So ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework. Okay. So there's a lot of options. As I've said, you could actually choose different types of applications that you want to create. But right now, we're just using the web. It's under C Sharp. It's Windows. Okay, so let's move in and go with next. So the next thing that you'll do is you'll be given a chance to name your project. So it would be advisable that you need to change your project name into what application, web application you'll be creating. If it is a name of a website, that would be good. And please do remember that you need to identify where you are going to be saving your files. So that is really important. So you can change it by clicking this button here where you could browse the location of your folder, and you could also choose your framework. So I'm choosing the latest framework that is available, so 4.7.2. Okay, so I'll click create, and immediately it will launch the user interface for the development after this. So sorry, I just need to pick first what type of forms do I need to create. Is it a web API, MVC format, web form? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and add first an empty so we could start from scratch. Okay, so just pick on this and then click on create. So immediately the user interface will show up and it will allow you to see what are the things that you could do on creating a web application. So let's just wait it up to load up, and then it will show us the user interface. Okay, so that's it. So right now, I do have my web application 8. I did not change the name, so that's the default name given to me. And I'm currently on the area where I could do development. So I don't have anything yet right now. And I just shown you how you could be able to start up with your applications. So let's try to add just one first. So let's right click on the name of our website and then click on add and then new item, and let's add in first web form. So we will be explaining more a lot of this in the next tutorial. I'm just going to let you see what does it look like. So let's add, and here is the area where you could actually start up with the things that you want to add into your web form. Okay, so I think that's it for now, and the next tutorial will be all about the different things that you could do within the UI, or we will be explaining the user interface. So again, this is Sir Arca, and have a nice day.